Hi there! In this video, we'll show you how to convert your childcraft crib into a toddler bed, daybed, and full-size bed. Start by laying out all the parts that came with your crib. Toddler and full-size bed rails are sold separately, but some cribs include extra parts needed for conversion. Be sure to save those for later use. Follow the included instructions to assemble your crib. For extra help, check out our crib assembly videos on our YouTube channel or download instructions from our website. Make sure to insert the barrel nuts into the stretcher rail with the slots facing outward. Finish assembling the crib according to the manual. We recommend having a second person assist for easier setup. Your childcraft crib is now ready for use. Now, let's convert the crib to a toddler bed. Start by gathering the additional parts that you set aside earlier. Remove the front panel. For some crib models, use the Allen bolts to attach the guardrail extenders. This step applies to only certain styles. Attach the toddler rail using a joint connector nut and the Allen head screw. Insert and tighten with the Allen wrench for a secure fit. And now, your crib is a toddler bed. To convert to a daybed, just remove the toddler rail and extenders. Be sure to fill the open holes with a connector nut and Allen bolt to prevent any safety hazards. A daybed is a great in-between step before moving to a full-size bed. Once you are ready for the full-size bed, you'll need the rails and slats to get started. These are not included with the crib, but we recommend ordering them at the same time for future use. Start by removing the metal mattress frame. Then, take off the stretcher rail and both sides panel, leaving the headboard in place. Remove the bolts from the headboard. You'll need these holes for attaching the bed rails. Attach the full-size bed rails using connector nuts and Allen head bolts. Do this on both sides. Now, attach the long foot panel from the crib. As before, having someone help makes assembly much easier. Insert the slats with the cone-shaped holes facing up. This allows the flathead screws to sit flush with the surface when tightened. Just like that, your crib has transformed into a toddler bed, daybed, and now a full-size bed that grows with your child. We wish you years of happy rest.